All right. Good job, man.
You got the ending down.
You got it.